everyone, I'm Vishnulekha from grade 10 and I'm here to share some information about the state Rajasthan. Rajasthan was also called Rajputana, the country of the Rajputs. Rajasthan is a state in northern India. Jaipur is the capital and the largest city of Rajasthan. Rajasthan covers 3,42,239 square kilometers or 10.4% of India's total geographical area. It is the largest Indian state by area and the 7th largest by population. It is on India's northwestern side where it comprises most of the wide and inhospitable Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert. It is bordered by 5 other Indian states. Location. Its geographical location is 23.3 to 30.12 north latitude and 69.30 to 78.17 east longitude, with the Tropic of Cancer passing through its southernmost tip. Chief Minister and Governor. Shri Kalraj Mishra sworn in as the Governor of Rajasthan on Monday 9th September 2019. And Ashok Gehlot is the present Chief Minister of Rajasthan from 17 December 2018. He belongs to the party of Indian National Congress and the opposing party in Rajasthan is BJP. Language. Rajasthani comprises of 5 primary dialects: Marwari, Mewari, Dundari, Mewati and Harauti, along with several other forms. These dialects have been derived as distortion of the linguistic and orthographical peculiarities of the language with time. However, the main language spoken is Hindi. Dance. Ghumar or Ghumar is the traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. It was the Bhil tribe who performed it to worship goddess Saraswati, which was later embraced by other Rajasthani communities. The dance is chiefly performed by veiled women who wear flowing dresses called gagra. The dance typically involves performers pirouetting while moving in and out of a white circle. The word Ghumna describes the twirling movement of the dancers and is the basis of the word Ghumar. Music. Rajasthan folk music can mesmerize anyone with its beautiful rhythm and words. Folk music of Rajasthan is originated from emotions, stories and daily activities of Rajasthani people. Among famous Rajasthani folk music, Panihari, Pabuji Ki Pach and Mand are best. Mands are Rajasthan's most sophisticated style of folk music and has come a long way from the time it was only sung in royal courts in praise of the Rajput rulers. Food. Rajasthani cuisine is influenced by its rich heritage and arid climatic conditions. A few common ingredients are beans, lentils, gram flour, corn, barley, millet, bajra, bread and dairy products, especially ghee. Few famous foods of Rajasthan are dal bati kurma, mohan dal, lal mas, mawa kachori, mirchi bada, mohan mas, kalkan, etc. Dress. Traditional attire of Rajasthani women is gagra. It is a choli, also called kanchli or kurti, and odhni. The gagra is a full-length embroidered and pleated skirt. The kanchli, choli or kurti are the upper body wear. The traditional outfit for Rajasthani men is dhoti and angarka or kurta. The dhoti is a long piece of cloth tied around the waist and wrapped around like a loin cloth between the legs. Influential families and royals also wear kambar band waistbands and patka, a piece of cloth hung over the shoulder. State bird. The state bird of Rajasthan is the Great Indian Bustard. The state animal of Rajasthan is chinkara. Top universities of Rajasthan are Birla Institute of Technology and Science in Pilani and University of Rajasthan in Jaipur and Malaviya National Institute of Technology in Jaipur. And famous tourist places in Rajasthan are Dholpur, Sri Ganganagar, Udaipur, Jhalawar, Jodhpur, etc. Thank you.